Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, all the women unite, the Woo Kingdom. I gotta say what's up, and I also gotta bring some more awareness because the channel continues to grow. So I just want to say thank you to everybody that's shielding the channel, and those that are new, I want you guys to peep game on this one. Women unite. Okay, look at this NFT sold for 77K. We got her with the Versace shades on. We got the pearls. This is serious right here. Okay, and this is a unique opportunity that we have right here, because a lot of times what happens when we see project or NFT projects, we don't get to see what happens behind the scenes. And this being a project that has real life humans doing the NFTs, we get a unique opportunity to see what happens behind the scene. And we also have we got Justin Bieber's drummer doing a retweet. We got the likes of Paris Hilton as well, and this was something that I really liked right here. We've seen the team working together. We also get to see the quality of the production that's going on behind this, because this is them filming the production of them shooting and stuff. This is epic right here. We see the team working together, and this is highly Bieber. So this was smart. One thing that I really liked about the this new part that's coming out is the Oprahs, Angelina Jolie as Tomb Raider, all these little aspects of the we got Paris Hilton right there. So those aspects, I really love those ideas of this project, and I know there's a lot more to it, and I can't wait to see the rest of it. But some of these are going to bring a lot of attention, like by celebrities that we're going to want and stuff to become maybe something like the next Bored Ape Yacht Club. And also I want to give a shout out to Hero, the guy who did all the photo shoot and stuff like that for the models. It was amazing, and I love the way they did it and played it out. I mean, it looked like a lot of work. I also got to give a shout out to the Master Sari himself and the whole team. I want you guys to come tap in if you guys want a smile on your face, if you guys want to see something interesting, something unique. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys haven't seen the Woo Kingdom, the Women Unite, I want you guys to come watch this video. This will literally put a smile on your face and give you an understanding of what we're working with right here with Women Unite. Okay, about empowering women. You can see it through the video. You can see, and you know what? I'll play the video, and I'll take off the sound just like that. There's no copyrights or nothing like that. But as you watch the video, you get to see, the women very powerful, very strong. This is what this is all about, right? And you get to see. Imagine if it was not portraying that, it would kind of have, it would be contradicting or whatnot. But you see women here having fun, dancing, having a good time with each other. This is what I'm talking about right here. And you get to know the models behind this. When it comes to other NFTs, what are you going to know behind the contract itself? So this is something that I think is very unique, and a lot of people will get behind this. I know that I'm definitely behind it. I'm part of this community, and I'm going to be here long term. This project's not going nowhere, and I want everybody to get in while we can. They have a huge giveaway as well. They explain it at the end of this video. I want you guys to come tap in and see this whole production. I guarantee you're going to watch it with a smile on your face. That's why I got to give a shout out to Hero. This production was amazing. The shooting of everything like this, getting to meet everybody. I also like how Master explained to everybody that it was going to be hectic. There was going to be chaotic. And right here, this part of the video, I loved it because it was just, I like how everybody understands how sometimes things are going to be hard, but everybody just took the front run on it and literally just faced it. And it's very important to when you think about empowering yourself or empowering women or men, whoever it might be, that you push yourself out of your comfort zones, and that's when you're really going to find yourself. And this was so inspiring to me. This was absolutely amazing. I highly advise anybody that's tapped in on the channel, anybody that's part of the Woo Kingdom. I'm sure you guys watched the video, but please share these videos. Master, shout out to you. This was an amazing video. You guys got an amazing project, and I'm just trying to get the word out there as fast as I can, because we got it April 8th. It's coming right up. So I want you guys to help me get these videos out there, retweet them, share them on Facebook. There goes Hero. Man, shout out to Hero. Amazing production. And that's about it, man. I just need your guys' help to get the videos out. Leave a lot of comments so those that are joining my channel from other projects can see how strong this community is. Bring that positive vibe that I love and I'm addicted to already. And continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.